On a cold, rainy day in Chicago, there's honestly no better place to be than Min's Noodle House in Bridgeport. They have a ton of great dishes for pretty much any mood, but specifically today, it's the Chungking spicy wonton soup. There's just so much going on in this broth. But here to play, alright, get yourself some pork ball, which also happens to be one of the best in Chicago, and dip it in that broth. If only they had steamed mantou, that would just kill it for me. But you know what, I'll take it. Let the wonton sit for just a couple minutes so that it soaks up the broth and cools down a bit. If you're a fan of spice, this is one of the best first bites in Chicago. But here's the second play, alright? Take that broth, take it home, add some instant noodles to it, and you got yourself an awesome second meal. If you live near Bridgeport and you've never been to Min's Noodle House, I would take that personally.